We rarely talk about the absence of music, the absence of sound design, the absence of dialogue, and yet silence is a very important storytelling tool. 1 second of silence seems much longer than a normal second. The intensity, the suspense, the music, the sounds, everything went up. It became louder, it became more present, it became more, daunting on us. And then when the culmination happened, we expected to get like a loud boom, or at least something that will get us this resolution in this moment. But we didn't get it. Instead, we got silence. Take one of your actors to the side and tell him or her to wait and count until 3 in their head before responding. And it will do a lot to their physical appearance, to how they stand, how they move. My name is Masha, and I'm very grateful that you found time to join us.